Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you, welcome to the channel of Detailed Recipes. A fabulously delicious soup recipe that you can make with spinach roots. Necessary materials: root portions of 1 kilogram of spinach, some shallots, garlic, corn kernels, carrot, liquid sunflower oil, wheat flour, butter, water and milk, powdered ginger, salt and some sugar. I will show you how I use it when I buy 1 kilogram of spinach. Pour spinach over a large area. Add root parts and leaves in separate containers. You need to cut the ends of the roots in this way. Wash the leaves and roots of spinach with plenty of water. Add grape vinegar to the water where you will wash the vegetables. There is a lot of soil in the roots, so wash it with some water cannons. Add water to a large pot and bring to a boil. Add the spinach leaves first and remove after 1 minute. You can store it in the freezer after it has cooled this way. Add spinach roots and remove after 1 minute. You can freeze the spinach after applying this process. Peel the carrot and chop it into small cubes. Cut corn kernels. Boil chopped carrots and corn. After the carrots are boiled for 30 minutes, add onion and oil in a saucepan. Cook the onions for 3 minutes and add flour. Mix until the color of the flour turns pink. Add garlic. Add a glass of cold water and mix. Add the carrot and corn juice you boiled. Add the butter to the other pan while boiling the white sauce you prepared. Add carrot and corn, mix. Add the spinach roots and mix. Saute the vegetables with butter for at least 5 minutes. Add salt and ginger, mix and add water. Add the vegetables into the white sauce and mix. Wait for it to boil, and when it boils, add cold milk with stirring. Add some sugar to make it look shiny and enhance its flavor. Stir and after boiling turn off and leave to rest for 10 minutes. After resting for 10 minutes, you can serve. Those who love healthy eating, you should try this vegetable soup. You can add some chili peppers or spices. It's delicious, and I believe it's healthy in its vegetables. I can use meat in our next video. Bon appetit! We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.